How to make friends among our colleagues. Building meaningful friendships among your colleagues as a music artist involves a combination of genuine communication, mutual support, and shared interests. Stay with us to talk about this. Attend industry events, conferences, and music exhibitions. These gatherings provide opportunities to meet and network with other musicians, producers, and industry professionals in a casual and social setting. Participate in collaborative projects with other musicians or collaborators. Whether it's a joint music production, a featured collaboration, or a shared song, working together fosters a sense of camaraderie. Interact with your colleagues on social media platforms. Like, comment, and share their work. Reply to their posts and share your views. This online interaction can lead to more meaningful offline connections. Attend local concerts and open mics. Attend local concerts, open mics, and performances. Support your colleagues' work by attending their shows. This not only builds camaraderie, but also a mutual support system. Join musician communities. Join online forums, social media groups, or local music communities. Actively participate in discussions, share your experiences, and connect with like-minded people. Collaborate on industry initiatives, events, or social projects. Working together on projects that transcend individual jobs creates a sense of unity and shared purpose. Attend music-related workshops and seminars. These events not only provide learning opportunities, but also provide a platform to meet colleagues with similar interests and aspirations. Actively support your colleagues' music releases, performances, and achievements. Celebrate their successes, and they will likely reciprocate and create a supportive environment. Get involved in your local music scene. Attend meetings, join committees, or volunteer for local music events. This partnership fosters connections with colleagues who actively contribute to the community. Host collaborative events, such as jam sessions, songwriting camps, or music workshops. These gatherings provide a relaxed environment for colleagues to connect both professionally and personally. Organize informal meetings or hangouts with colleagues. This could be grabbing coffee, going to a local pub, or attending non-music related events together. These informal settings can lead to deeper connections. Attend music festivals together. Attend music festivals with colleagues. Shared experiences at festivals can create lasting memories and strengthen your bond. Create a shared playlist. Create a shared playlist with colleagues. This allows you to discover each other's music preferences and opens up opportunities to talk about common interests. Start one-on-one conversations. Take the initiative for one-on-one conversations with colleagues. Discuss not only music but also personal interests, aspirations, and experiences. Share your professional insights and experiences with colleagues and be ready to receive advice. A mutual exchange of knowledge can strengthen your professional bond. Attend parties or social gatherings after music events. These settings often provide a relaxed atmosphere for networking and making connections. Thank and appreciate the contribution of your colleagues. A simple thank you for their support or cooperation goes a long way in building positive relationships. This could even be participating in your Instagram Live. If physical distance is a challenge, host virtual hangouts or online collaboration sessions. Video calls and virtual meetings can still enhance the sense of connection. Be yourself in your interactions. Authenticity builds trust, and building real connections with colleagues often requires being open and honest with yourself. Be patient. Building meaningful friendships takes time. Be patient and let communication develop naturally. Keep an open mind. Embrace diversity in personalities, musical styles, and experiences. You never know where valuable connections might come from. maintain a level of professionalism while developing friendships, especially in joint projects and professional interactions. Aim for a balanced give and take relationship. Offer your support and help your colleagues succeed, and they will likely reciprocate. Building friendships among colleagues in the music industry involves a combination of genuine connection, shared experiences, and mutual support. By actively participating in the music community, both online and offline, and fostering authentic relationships, you can cultivate a network of friends who share your passion for music. Thank you for being with Sound Journey. In the complex dance of professional and personal growth, the art of making friends among colleagues emerges as a timeless and valuable skill. Beyond shared goals and shared endeavors, true workplace friendships weave a veil of support, camaraderie, and mutual respect. These relationships extend beyond the scope of job titles and projects, creating a dynamic and fulfilling environment in which people thrive. In the highs and lows of a professional journey, the importance of these friendships becomes increasingly apparent. They serve as an anchor in challenging times, a catalyst for shared success, and a source of joy in daily work. As we navigate the complex landscape of our professions, let us celebrate the profound impact of creating friendships among colleagues, a testament to the enduring power of human connection in our personal and professional lives. Good luck.